Hi, my name is Will from Cascade3d. We're going to be talking through the setup of our Cascade3d connected care system. So when you receive one of our kits, you'll notice there's lots of different parts. So the best thing to do to start with is to get it all out of the boxes and lay it out in front of you. I'm going to talk you through the parts today. Some items we're going to use to connect to the internet and some sensors around the home. The basic items we're going to start with are the elements we need to connect to the internet to get a signal from the sensors in the house onto our dashboard. And they include our gateway, our Z-stick, a smart plug, this is the power supply to the gateway, and an Ethernet lead we're going to use to connect to your home broadband. So to start with, the first job on the setup is to connect this to the internet. You do this as follows. You take the gateway and the Z-stick. The Z-stick plugs into one of the USB ports. The best ones to use are the furthest ones away from the Ethernet port. Although it doesn't matter, it just means it's a lot easier to set up. We then are going to take the Ethernet lead, which is going to plug into the Ethernet port on the other side of the gateway. We're then going to use one of our smart plugs. Now the smart plugs fulfill a couple of roles in our kit, as well as monitoring appliance use, which we'll come on to later. They also boost the signal around the house. So by having one of these smart plugs plugged into the gateway, it's going to mean we've got a lot stronger signal to connect to all the sensors across the house. So we just take the gateway power supply, plug straight in there. There's a small power supply port on the side, which just connects in. And then before we turn it on and power it up, we're going to plug this into our home broadband router. So it's going to need to be quite near your router at home. Connects into the first port you find on the back. And once all that's connected, we can plug this in to the power, and then you'll see lights come on at the base of the gateway. We're then going to come on to connecting the sensors around the house. The best thing to do is once that's been connected, ensure your dashboard is showing some activity. It could be on the app or could be on your computer to show that we're connected to the internet.